What's up, guys? This is Justin. This is my 2004 bagged C5 Corvette. What can I say about this car? I just got bags done 2 weeks ago. Airlift performance, Airspec struts. Alright, so I'll give you guys a quick clip of the airing out with the air suspension. This is my current ride height. I only have 2 presets. The way things are right now, I still need to get them dialed in a little bit more as well, but until I get everything mapped out exactly the way I need, this is what is going to do for now. So this is the ride height. I've got the app from Airlift Performance on my phone right now. Alright, so now we're going to air out. And now it's going to adjust a little bit. This is by PSI, and I got the 3/8 inch lines, so they move a little quick. Sometimes they need to adjust themselves a little bit afterwards. I can bring down the front more. There we go. Alright, yeah, that is completely aired out. Alright, so the rear looks pretty good. It's tire to inner fender right here. I went with 235, 35, 245, 35 tires, which are a little, if you're bagged, it's not going to get you completely, flat with the ground, especially not in the rear. But for now, I didn't want to stretch the wheels, the tires on the wheels too much. It's my daily driver, so I'm happy with how it looks. I can go lower if I want to. The bags allow for it, but I'll need to adjust the tire size and a few different other things. But I love the way it looks in the rear. Now the front is very, very tight with the tires just resting. The car's resting on the tires right now, so you can't go any lower in the front without different tires. Alright guys, I'll be honest. This controller setup is horrible. Definitely temporary. I haven't looked into a magnetic mount yet, which I need to get it kind of located on the dash over here. But for now, it's within arm's reach and it gets the job done. So I'm running the Extreme online store, which is where a lot of the C5 guys go for aero. I'm running their front lip right here, the front splitter. I've got side skirts for it as well, matching, that should be on right now, but I just haven't installed them yet. I'm gonna get those on soon. I think I'm gonna leave the rear alone. Not a big fan of rear spoilers or even the diffusers on this car. It's tricky to get one that really works with it and doesn't take away from the look. Yeah guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video, show you how the setup came out. I think I've only had one other video of the car on the channel, and that was before any of the suspension modification like this. So yeah, this is how she's sitting now. If you guys want any, if you're interested in any more videos going in depth or showing you more, I can. The struts I have are the Airspec bags. They're 0 modification, no trimming, no shaving, no aftermarket arms, nothing else needed. Direct bolt up, which is hard to find with these setups. Usually it takes a little more to get it to fit with the other options for the C5, but yeah, they've been very helpful customer service and answering all questions. So everything was pretty seamless once I got the right person to install the airlines.